All right, everyone, a quick update on ACH here. So Alchemy Pay, you can see from the low here to that high, it came down perfectly to the 786 and it stayed over the macro 236 at 16.5 here. It is currently at 0.21. It's up a little over 20% on the week here. So right now it is getting stuck at that first resistance level at the 618. So it needs to close at or right above the 0.216 area currently where we are right now in price. If it does that, then there is a good strong chance the next stop up would be, of course, the macro 3.2 here, and you should move up 28%. So low to the high, 786 retracement, nice little bounce. So as long as you're over 17 down to about 16.5 here, that tells us the bottom is in here, and potentially this thing's going to finally start moving back up. But if you cannot get over this 216 and you get stuck here and you start pulling back, then that could kind of tell us that the price, of course, is coming back down to these levels here at 16.5, but it could even go lower than that, which if I pull up another fib and we go from the ultimate low here to the high, you can see we do have a 786 down here at 0.11, so almost 1 penny flat, and that would bring the price of ACH, if you get stuck here and you come back down and you drop back down to that 236, is about a 23-24% drop, and ultimately we could end up coming all the way down almost 49-50% to 1 penny. But just due to the fact that on the other fib we hit the 786, we bounced, and we're hitting that 618 once again, and we have this formation with these candles here, it looks to be a bottom being put in here on ACH. So we will wait and see what happens here, but it looks good at the moment. Now, with all that being said, how high is ACH going to go? Let me get this off the chart real quick and just mention that once we get back over the 382 at 0.276 here and get back over that trend line, you can be bullish once again on ACH. So we really want to hold that price where we're at now and continue moving with this momentum we have at the moment. Now, how high is ACH going to go? If you've watched the channel here before, you know my target, which is the new high here around the 60 cent range. You can see the 1272, a $4.8 billion market cap here on Alchemy Pay, and that's going to give you almost a 29, maybe a 30x on your investment here. So almost a 2,800% move. So that translates into a 29x. So not bad at all for ACH this cycle. And if you want some more conservative take profit price targets here, you can see that if it only does a 786 retracement from where it hit this bottom at potentially, that takes you up to 11.4, almost 11.5 pennies, and a very decent, almost a 5x, or a little over a 5x on your investment here, almost a 5.5x from today in price, of course. But if you bought the dip down here, you will get more than that. And then, of course, another profit taking price would be about 6 pennies. And that's going to get you a very solid, in my opinion, 3x on your investment here. So 6 pennies would be a good spot for a decent, almost guaranteed 3x on ACH here. Take some profit, let the rest ride to these other targets here. 11, but the potential high at 24. And then, of course, our target here, which I think ACH is going to hit this 60 cent mark. So I am looking for a $4.8 billion market cap on Alchemy Pay this cycle. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.